Introducing NAVIPACK, the super easy-to-use and affordable LIDAR navigation module for drones, robots, and other devices. NAVIPACK includes a 2D LIDAR and a SLAM algorithmic module. NAVIPACK will give vision and intelligent control to unmanned aerials, vehicles, and robots, allowing them to move, explore, and interact safely with their surroundings. NAVIPACK allows 360-degree scanning of objects up to 15 meters away with a frequency of 3,000 points per second. NAVIPACK is designed for easy integration with many devices. It will work almost immediately after connecting to a compatible device. It will then scan the environment, build a map, and automatically take command of the device motion. With the app, you can tap on the screen to tell NAVIPACK where to go. It will then determine the best route and proceed. Once NAVIPACK takes control, it continuously scans and analyzes the environment to avoid any obstacle while moving and operating. So the NAVIPACK is not only a LIDAR, but also a smart brain to let different devices choose the best way. NAVIPACK works with Android, Windows, ROS, and Linux systems. It also has many powerful APIs to work with the 3D depth camera, infrared, and other functional modules. To help you explore further, the NAVIPACK kit includes NAVICamera, a 3D time-of-flight camera for accurate depth sensing, and NAVIPanel, a versatile 3-wheeled robot. NAVICamera uses TI's TOF solution with a pixel resolution of 80 by 60, and it can detect objects from 0.2 to 7 meters. Combined with the NAVIPACK, functions for motion sensing interaction, 3D modeling, and more can be created easily. With NAVIPACK, the possibilities are endless. The NAVIPanel robot chassis is small but powerful. It has 5 ultrasonic sensors and 4 geodetic sensors with the NAVIPACK in the middle. It can locate itself anywhere and can carry loads of up to 30 kg as it moves. And we can send out all the design of the hardware and structure with the NAVIPanel, for the makers can design their robot demo faster. We are a team of experienced engineers to make all devices smarter, more useful, and especially more fun. Help us today, and together let's make NAVIKit a reality.